This is Shandong, a coastal region in East China. Sitting between Beijing and Shanghai, it faces the Korean Peninsula and Japan across the ocean. Mount Tai, in the center of Shandong, is a World Cultural and Natural Heritage, as well as a World Geological Park. In China, Mount Tai has a special status. It has been the symbol of a flourishing country and a peaceful life since ancient times. Many stones with inscriptions added a humanistic touch to the mountain. The Yellow River is known by the Chinese as the Mother River. With a total length of more than 5,000 kilometers, it joins sea here in Shandong, carrying a huge amount of silt and sand from China's lowest plateau. The Yellow River Delta was formed here and grows by 1,000 hectares a year. It is home to the world's broadest and youngest wetland ecosystem in a warm, temperate zone. The provincial capital Jinan is a city famous for its natural springs and is therefore known as the City of Springs. Numerous springs form rivers and lakes, bringing a touch of vitality and elegance to the city. Today, Jinan is not only the provincial center of politics, economy, culture, and education, but also the highland for high-tech, information, and financial service industries. The coastal city Qingdao is famous as the host city of the Olympic sailing events. It has also got its reputation spread for its red tiles and green trees, blue sea and azure sky. Integrating European styles with marine cultures, the city enjoys a unique history and abundant resources in maritime talent and technologies. World-renowned brands like Qingdao Beer, Haier, and Hisense all originated from this city. Extending mountains, broad plains, the rolling hills, the beautiful rivers and lakes, and a natural coastline of more than 3,300 kilometers bring Shandong diversified sceneries. With a temperate semi-humid monsoon climate, Shandong cherishes 4 distinct seasons. Shandong is one of the important original places of Chinese civilization. It has a long history and diversified cultures. These delicate pottery works appeared in Shandong more than 4,000 years ago. They represented the beginning of the early stage civilization in China. Confucius, the great thinker and educator who appeared 1.5 centuries prior to the Greek philosopher Aristotle, was born in Qufu, Shandong. The Confucianism that he established has had a fundamental influence on the cultures of China and the entire Oriental world. The practices advocated by Confucianism have been widely adopted in Chinese people's daily lives, and such impact continues. Other famous thinkers, scientists, and strategists in ancient times were also born in Shandong, such as Mencius, Sun Tzu, Mo Zi, and Zhuge Liang. Shandong cherishes a long history for its cuisine culture. Fast fry is the most popular method adopted to cook Shandong dishes, which tend to be salty and fresh. There is a rich variety of specialty snack food here. The unique Kung Fu dishes and the big flour cakes representing auspiciousness are not only delicious food, but also what can leave people a deep cultural memory. The prosperously developing Shandong is the 3rd largest provincial economy in China. On its land of 157,000 square kilometers, all types of infrastructure facilities are complete. 4 regional development strategies, namely Shandong Peninsula Blue Economic Zone, the Yellow River Delta Efficient Eco-Economic Zone, Capital City Group Economic Circle, and its Western Economic Uplift Belt are leading the scientific and consistent development of Shandong. The capital city, Jinan, is forming the 1-hour life circle with the surrounding cities. It takes only 1.5 hours to travel from Jinan to Beijing on a high-speed train. Shandong has 4 international airports that support the operation of more than 300 domestic and international air routes. Combined with the convenience provided by the railway and highway networks, the province's connections with the outside world have been efficiently improved. Great convenience has been brought to people in all ways. Shandong is a big agricultural province. Its total output value of agriculture and its export volume of agricultural products both rank first in the country. Traditional agriculture is now being modernized. Shandong is also a big industrial province. It sees different types of industries settle down here. The equipment manufacturing industry enjoys the most prominent advantages. Others, like electronic information, biopharmaceuticals, new materials, low-carbon environmental protection, Internet Plus, and newly rising industries are also developing rapidly here. Shandong is a major marine economy province in China. It takes the lead in the country in marine industry development and marine scientific research. The commercial and financial services in Shandong have been growing rapidly. Business environment is constantly being optimized. Jinan and Qingdao are becoming a regional financial and wealth center in the middle and lower reaches of the Yellow River area. Shandong is home to more than 97 million people. It has the second largest population among all Chinese provinces. With the continuous improvement of education, income, and people's comprehensive qualities, Shandong is seeing more advantages with its population resources, and its market consumption capacity is being improved all the time. Shandong, China is both ancient and young, opening and highly tolerant. It is opening and highly tolerant. Different cultural traditions and religious beliefs are respected here. The new generations of Shandong people are quick in picking up new knowledge. They understand and create in-style modern cultures, and they reveal different personalities, creativity, and energy. Shandong has established sisterhood relationships with 35 local governments from 29 countries. People from around the world would feel both unacquainted and familiar when they arrive in Shandong. Local people here are honest, credible, and hospitable, which make exchanges easy and pleasant. China has an old saying, "Seeing is believing." There is a household saying by Confucius in China, "It is always a pleasure to greet a friend from far." Hometown of Confucius, Shandong, China, welcomes friends from around the world.
"你家在哪儿？""
我家在北京。""
他家在哪儿？""
他家在上海。""